Yo, I thought I was live that whole time, but I wasn't, so we gotta run it back now. Look what happened.
Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. Mortgage Dubai ain't got shit on me. Touch the sky, but you ain't got shit on me. Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
In my view, she fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm home. I see some things that you like better. I'm doing a show, I'll be back soon. That ain't what she wanted to hear. Now I got it in my room. They ain't dropped around my beard. Got the fastest car soon. Hope we make it out of here. When I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie? You got behind the one lie. Keep the pistol on the side. Can't see you. She feel my mind on it, I'm the highest in the room. In the room. Hope I make it out of here.
Y'all should know me well enough. Bitch better have my money. Play down, call me on my blood. Pay me what you want. Ballin' bigger than LeBron. Bitch, give me your money. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Like blah, blah, blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just bought a shot. Kamikaze if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want it. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want it. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. I called a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Like blah, blah, blah. Like blah, blah, blah. I called a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. Like blah, blah, blah. Bitch better have my money.
All right, screw the countdown. Good morning, everybody. How are we all doing today? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, I should say. My name is Geo, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. Okay, I'm a little bit slow right now because this treadmill is making me a little bit tall. I should be down like this, but that's okay. You will get over it. All right, guys. How are we all doing, man? Can we get a mic check? Can we get a sound check? Are we doing good? Are we happy right now? Are we healthy? Are we beautiful? What's going on with everybody? How are we all doing? You're scared to short? I would say do not be scared to short, my friend. Do not be scared to short. We treat the markets objectively, okay? We do not care about perma bulling or perma bearing. We do everything always, okay? Everything always, all at once. And this is no different. So let's pop this shit out so we can have the chat. Let's make this full screen. Let's make this full screen. Let's lock in the chat over here so we can all talk together. And yeah, man, let's take some trades, man. I'm looking to take some trades. I'm looking to get into some trades. First of all, I want to say a huge shout out to the Nexus because we've been absolutely killing it. We are long on Solana. The Nexus new. We've been posting it. This is my Nexus, my baby, by the way. We are short on ADA, which, by the way, the short on ADA has just played out. Okay, we have just hit right here our take profit, a beautiful 7 risk to reward trade. Why I entered. You know what? In fact, let's hear from Past Me because Past Me has got it down. So shouts out to the Nexus. Let's watch this video together. Why not? All right, guys, quick update here. So execution failed, right? Sometimes you can lose the 1% to gain the bigger ones, whatever. But the idea was still there, and it was very simple. We had up, we had down, we had up, we had down and break, lower high, lower low. That's the expectational order flow. You have all this liquidity. So where did we go wrong? Well, we knew that when we were entering on the very, very small block, which was right. So I did take 1% of a loss to get back in. That's completely okay. Putting your stop loss at that's sometimes. So anyways, whatever. You can see the Nexus was involved the whole time. They know every step of the way I take. Every step of the way, man. Every step of the way, they know what's going on with me. So the Nexus was short on Cardano. The target has now been hit. What do we have on Bitcoin here? The Nexus is short. You better believe that the Nexus is short on Bitcoin. Why? Because we hit our level and now we are going lower. Now, all this scribbles that are going on, I'm hoping that we can get into a position together, okay? I'm hoping we can get into a position together. What we're going to talk about here and what hopefully happens is Bitcoin, obviously. We are in the premium section of our local range. Okay, you have your range high right now locally at 95K. You have your range low, obviously, at like 81 and 76, whatever. We are in the premium section of the range. We are to be looking for shorts, and we have liquidity that is being generated below us. So we are, of course, looking for shorts here. Yes, there are scalp longs to be had, but there are none at the moment. So keeping that in mind as well, we need to know where we are potentially targeting, and we need to know how we can get into the trade. Now, I did mention that the Nexus is short here, and I'm going to show you that the Nexus is short because it's not about me. Guys, the Nexus, I teach you guys how to do this on your own. Big shout out to, where is my, right here. Big shouts out to Ali. This morning when we did our Nexus stream, he got in the trade the exact same way that I would have gotten in. This happened to me overnight. Okay, it was 1 a.m. for me. So I'm not in the position. I'm in a baby position, but I am not in my full position in the slightest. And so I do hope to be able to get into a Bitcoin short. Hopefully we can get into a Bitcoin short together, but I will let you know all my positions. I am still in the Cardano short. The Cardano short we executed beautifully. I have taken out most of my profit. Nice, beautiful 7.75 risk to reward. I am officially looking for Cardano longs, although I am very aware that things can continue lower. So I'm looking for longs here, potentially up towards 108, 109. I'm not going to rush it. We're going to take our time. Hopefully we can get into a nice position that looks good. Okay, but we did hit that trade beautifully. I am looking for Bitcoin shorts at the moment. If we do come up and we get a nice structure flip, like anything that you see here, I will be entering, I will be going live, and I will be letting you know that all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2 3/4" wannabe singing financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real and the earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay, let's see what else we're looking at here. Solana's kind of gone, unfortunately. We're already long on Solana, but I think I'm going to close out my whole position. Sui, I'm short on, okay? We drew this morning. Literally, I shorted from our exact zone, and this arrow was already here. So I am short right now on Sui. We'll see how that plays out. Guys, are you long or short? And what are you long or short on? You let me know. I'm also short on XRP. Yeah, we're also short on XRP. I'm hoping that XRP comes up one more time. I do have alerts on these highs. Hopefully XRP pops off one more time, but I mean, it's a very easy target. XRP down to 240 seems very, very easy, but I need to see further confirmation for me to be able to hammer it. But it seems quite easy. The only problem with the XRP short, which isn't a huge problem, but it's a baby problem, is we didn't hit my level. Okay, we didn't hit the level. But the thing with it is that this high did take out these highs, right? Like, you did still sweep liquidity, so it's acceptable. It's not preferred, but it's acceptable. And for that reason, I have not hammered XRP. I'm in. I haven't hammered it. If we get something like this, then I'm gonna hammer it. This is the same short as ADA yesterday. And although ADA took fucking forever, took so long to play out, it has obviously now played out. So XRP might be something similar. So I would keep my eyes out. I would keep my eyes peeled on an XRP short. But again, I'll let you guys know, man. I'll let you guys know what I end up doing. This is not financial advice. I have no idea what I'm doing, so don't copy me at all. But of course, I will let you know what I'm doing. So I'm in a baby Bitcoin short because I missed the good entry because it happened overnight for me. And yeah, you know, what's up with you guys, man? Enough about the charts. The charts are boring. Nobody gives a fuck about that. Let's talk about you. How are you? How have you been? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gio, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. Let me say hello to you guys. How rude of me. Zavio, you can only hear from one side. That's no good, bro. Maybe it's me. You gotta let me know. Cesarcito says Gio pump the market. I don't know, bro. I'm looking for shorts right now. It could pump, but I'm not focusing on longs right now. If I'm gonna long something, I'm gonna long Cardano, which we're watching. We're gonna watch it. I'm not. That's the only thing that's in my long zone at the moment. All right. Donkey Stonka, what's up, my brother? How are you? Welcome back. Kinu, how are you? Kenny's in the chat. Shouts out to Kenny. Big Kenny, one of our advanced TA traders in the Nexus. He goes live for me every once in a while when I cannot go live myself. So we love Kenny. We appreciate Kenny, and he's our newest moderator. No XXS says hola amigo. Hola amigo to you, my friend. I hope you're doing very well. Shout out to Bert. Good morning. Jacques. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 5'2", come on, man. How much in centimeters? I think it's 157, bro. I think I'm 157 or something. I think so. All right, Top Maloe says, the Nexus seems super active, right? Would I say it's good for day traders? I would say it's amazing for any kind of trader that you are. It's good for swing traders. It's good for scalpers. It's good for day traders. You know, it's good for it all. It's a very, very active network. I've done I've done my best to... Okay, we're pumping here. I've done my very best to make it a very a good network for everybody, basically. You know, I've done my best to make it the network that I wish I had when I was learning. Let's just say that. So yes, it's very active. I'm in here all the time. The people are in here all the time. They're all posting their analysis. They're all posting their setups. They're all trying to learn. They have their trade setups. You get the Nexus course included. They know what to look for, you know? So. All right. Let us see what's going on. Let us see what's going on. On my J Casper walking on the treadmill. Yeah, I got fat, man. I got Miami in like just over 3 weeks. And I've been cutting. And yesterday I had a bad day. Don't tell my coach. So I need to like walk extra today. But man, I walk like 4 hours a day because when I'm streaming in the Nexus, like yesterday's Nexus stream was 4 hours. I was walking the whole time. This treadmill gets pretty fast too. All right. I've just noticed with smaller people, they are like always more angry, aggressive. I have no idea why. I agree with that, bro. I agree. I think that a lot of short people are the loudest. You know, we're like chihuahuas. And I'm definitely a chihuahua in that sense. 100%. You know, 100%. All right, so let's see. We are looking for shorts on Bitcoin. We are looking for shorts. I think my preferred short right now would be from right here. So we'll have to wait and see. I'm going to remove these positions because I already know what we're looking for. The Nexus already knows what we're looking for. But I would like to take these highs. I would like to sweep these highs and then lose those highs, and I'll try it. In the event that that happens, I will try it. I will absolutely try it. I will try it, and I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna get ready. But I'll tell you this: I am more interested right now in longing Cardano than anything else. So ideally with Cardano, what I want to see is this. Let's say we do this, something like that. I will long that, and we're just gonna target. I mean, it would be targeting this local high. We'll see. We'll see what we get into. Hopefully we can get into some positions here. Hopefully we can get into some positions here. Sure, people are aggressive because they're closer to hell. Yeah, maybe. I jump high, though. I try to get into heaven. Dice is in the chat. What's up, my boy? How are you, my friend? Justin Jordan says, it's over. What's the downside target on Bitcoin? I mean... Like, look, we'll keep it simple, man. Let's keep it very simple on Biddy, okay? Let's keep it simple. Simple, 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 simple. Let's hide it all, okay? Hide everything. We'll keep it all easy. Easy to work with. This PO3 didn't work out. Okay, simply put, Bitcoin's in a range, okay? You're in a range. You have your range low. You have your range high. I think we're going to go sideways for the next 2 or 3 months. Personally, that's what I think, okay? I don't think that we're going to pop off to new all-time highs. Not anytime soon. Like I said, maybe 2-3 months from now. But I think we're going to go sideways. And I think that we are just to play the range. And that being said, I'm not convinced that the low is in yet. I think that we're close. We could be close to the low. But there's a couple things that you need to know. Number one, we did not fill the CME gap. So despite everybody on Twitter saying, okay, we filled up the CME gap up only now. No. We have 25% left of the CME gap. That's number one. Number two, we still have not mitigated any previous range-based demands basically on this entire move up, and I think that it could happen. So, you know, a lot of people are saying that 74k is impossible because they don't give you what everyone's expecting, but because everybody's saying that, maybe that's exactly why they give it to you. Like, they haven't given the levels this entire bull run, so maybe this time they will for that reason. And you can see, man, I made a video that says the tide is turning. And things are not getting bought up the way that they used to. So the way that I'm playing it basically is we are in a sideways range. And currently, I mean, it's very simple. You have tap 1, you have tap 2. So when you get above this high, which I do think we will get above that high, doesn't have to happen right now. And I actually don't think it will happen right now. But in the event that we do get above this high right now, you're obviously looking for short, or you should obviously be looking for shorts here, because it's, like I said, just the range high, right? I've already drawn this out. So you have a nice swing short from this high down to 74k. So if we get to 95, I will look for swing shorts. Swing shorts, and I will hold those bitches. You know, there's a short now down to 86 potentially. Maybe even a little bit lower, maybe 85. There's a potential short from now to 85. It's confirmed. The short is confirmed, but I'm not in it in the best way yet. I'm gonna try to find a better entry. I say it all the time. When you know how to trade, you can get in anywhere. And so that's what we're trying to do now. We're gonna try to follow it because I do think that we are gonna go lower. And yeah, I mean, I could be wrong, but if I'm not wrong, then we'll make money. If I am wrong, then we'll lose a little bit of money. It's not a big deal. So I do think we will go a little bit lower here. And then I will be looking for longs up to that 95k. If we break 86, you know, if we come to 85, if we lose this low, which I think is a very, I think it's highly probable that we're going to lose this low eventually. But the thing with this low is I don't have anything between 81 and 78. So I think if we do come back down to 81, we're going to just literally shoot down to straight to 76 or 77, 70, whatever. Like there's nothing in between here for me to long. So because of that reason, I don't think that we're going to come for this right now. I think maybe because remember, this is your swing short, not this. This could be a swing short, but this is your good one. So what I'm thinking is something down like this, maybe to like 85, 84, between 83 and 85, we'll say. Between 83 and 86. And then up to 95 and then down to 78. That's what I'm thinking right now. Exactly this. That makes sense to me. Whether or not that happens, we'll have to wait and see. But, yeah. All right. Trollmate says, thinks one more scam wick to the upside. On Bitcoin? It's possible. It's possible. I don't think so, though, but it's possible. It's possible, but I don't think so. Joe, can I please talk about the scary-looking divs on the higher time frames, like monthly and 2-week, and normal drops after in history? Yeah. So let's bring up Market Cypher. Let's come on the monthly. You guys are not going to like what I'm going to say, but it is what it is. There's nothing... There's no... You're just it is what it is. Like what I'm about to say is an undeniable fact in my opinion. So if you don't like it and you want to hear up only, then turn off the stream now. But basically, we have monthly bear divs, we have weekly bear divs. Okay, there is a serious there's an argument. There is an argument that the bull run is over. Okay, I don't think. Okay, here's where I'm at. First of all, I just realized my delay is not on my microphone. So the sound sounds off. So let's fix that. Let's oh, it is on. The delay is on. Okay, good. Okay, so here's what I think. There is a serious case that the bull run is over. I don't think that that means we're only shorting ever. You know, like I just said, I just gave you my scenario on Bitcoin. But I do think that a lot of people are entitled this time around. And I do think that Bitcoin now is going to chill out. Like, I think Bitcoin's run is over. Relatively over. That doesn't mean, okay, that doesn't mean that we can't make a new all-time high. I'm just saying I don't think we're going to go to 200, 300, 400, 500 like people are saying. We could, and I could be wrong about it. But I think that if there's going to be anything that's going to pop off, it's going to be altcoins. And I actually think that in general, we've put in a close, like if we're not at the bottom, I think we're close to the bottom on alts. For Bitcoin, I don't think Bitcoin's going to have a crazy run. I think if anything, Bitcoin's going to do something like maybe take the high one more time, maybe, and then it's all over. That's what I think. And I think that the best scenario for the entire market right now is for the market to it's for Bitcoin to go sideways here for 2-3 months. And I think the alts, while Bitcoin does this, I think the alts are going to do this. So I think Bitcoin goes sideways for like 2 months, maybe 3 months. And then I think maybe it comes out to take the high again, maybe. And then it's down, you know? And then it's down. That's what I think. We'll see, but that's what I think. But yeah, these divs are not good. And listen, I've said this many times as well. And whether you believe it or not, whether you hate my opinion or not, I think that this is the last 4-year cycle. I don't think there's going to be more 4-year cycles after this one. It's too predictable. And anybody that tells you retail's not in is fucking retarded. The president of the United States made a meme coin. Everybody knows about crypto. Literally everybody. So I'm in the belief that the 4-year cycle is, the 4-year cycle is broken this time around anyway. But I'm in the belief that, it's literally all going to zero after this 4-year cycle. So like myself, I'm going to be in 100% cash in this, by the end of this year. I'm 100% cash. And I think it's literally all going to zero. Every single coin. I think it's the end. I think we're about to have the global financial reset, and they need to, like, it's unsustainable. That's what I think. I could be wrong, and I'm open to being wrong, and I'm sorry if you're taking this offensively, but I think that it's all over after this time around. genuinely. And so I can't give financial advice, and I never will. But after this cycle, and I do think alts will have their run, I think it's over. I think it's over. We'll see though. Man, when I say zero, I don't mean literally zero. I don't mean literally zero. And you, Johan, whatever, you're fucking retarded. If you've been following my channel, you know very well that your boy's not a perma bear. You're just mad that you don't know how to short. People said that at 100, 1,000, and 10,000. Yeah, well, I wasn't here for 100, 1,000, 10,000. Listen, things can change, man. Things can change. Things change all the time. Things change literally all the time. Why do I think it will be over and we're going on a bad bear market? I don't think that it's over right now, but I think this is the last 4-year cycle. And because it's too predictable. That's why. It's because it's too predictable. It's too easy, man. It can't just go up only. I think, like, man, everything, inflation is out of control, right? They're printing. We're in the roaring 20s right now. What comes after the roaring 20s is the Great Depression in the 30s. You know, the 30s is the Great Depression. I think we're gonna have the Great Depression. I think we're gonna have a global financial reset, which means cash is gonna be king. That's my opinion. If you don't like my opinion, then I don't know what to tell you. I don't like your face, if that's the case. You love how controversial I am? Man, I'm just not afraid to say shit. Like, we're gonna trade it the same. We're gonna long and short always, right? We're not gonna not do that. But I think that this is going to be an extended bear market. Everyone is like super cycle, super cycle. I think we're going to have a super bear cycle after this time. That's what I believe. I could be wrong. And at the end of the day, I don't care. Like, I'm a trader. I literally don't care. I literally don't care. Right? I don't have emotional connection to this shit like everybody else does. Everyone else has a boner for crypto. Like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about that. I'm not gonna have a boner for some make-believe technology. Like, I like, just go look at girls, dude. Like, I don't give a fuck about Bitcoin. Not Bitcoin, but crypto in general. Like, I just don't have a boner for it like everybody else does. Okay, how did I get those buttons to enable my indicators? If you come on indicators on the top here, click that. Actually, no, I lied. Go click on this, the 4 squares, and then press save indicator template. Whatever's on your screen will be your indicator, and then you just do that. You type whatever, and then you add them to your favorites. So if you go to your templates here, and then you go like open template, you add them to your favorites, and then it'll put it. So like my market cipher, look how the M is going to go away when I unfavored it. See? So now if I bring back my market cipher, it'll come back. That's how we do it. Why do people not understand that there are bull and bear markets? Yeah, I don't know. Dude, you know what's funny? Yesterday I made a video saying that I think Bitcoin's going to go sideways for 2 to 3 months, and I even got hate for that. I even got hate for that, for saying I think it's going to consolidate. They're like, nope. Go look at global liquidity. It's blast off time. You're an idiot. I'm like, yo, seriously? There's no pleasing anybody. You know, when I say it's going to go up, I don't know, bro. Anyways, I don't care. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We're looking for Cardano longs. We are looking for Cardano longs this morning. No, bro, I don't give a fuck about the haters. I appreciate you, but I don't give a fuck about the haters anymore. I used to care. I used to let it bother me. I literally don't give a fuck anymore. Fuck them all. Literally fuck them all. That's why, man, like, since I got off of doing YouTube every day, that was the best shit ever. Like, y'all are too entitled, you know? If you want me, you can catch me in the Nexus. Otherwise, I'm trying to help you. You know, I don't need to do this. I don't need to be here. Anyway, so we had this drawn out earlier on Sui. Let's see if it plays out. And that's funny because this happened before the whole announcement thing happened today. So this box I don't really care for anymore. I do think we might come up one more time If this idea is going to play out, we could come up one more time because we left this unmitigated just above where we were. So if we do that and we get a nice confirmation, I will look to short it perhaps down to here. But the way that the market is moving right now, Biddy is kind of getting a market structure flip against us right now. So we obviously need to take those things into consideration. I am looking for Bitcoin shorts. I'm not in yet. I'm in like literally 5% of my normal position. So I can absorb this shit all the way to like fucking 105K, which I obviously am not going to do, but I am looking to get in. Okay, what is Sol doing? Sol is moving. Sol never hit our long zone, and it didn't I don't have a great short yet. And actually, now that Sol is popping like this, I don't think I'm interested in this short anymore. ADA, like I said, the target has been hit. Stewie, looks like we're popping off. Doggy coin left equal lows. Not interested in doggy. XRP, we might. Okay, so my focus right now is going to be XRP and Cardano. And it's so weird. It's so weird shorting XRP or shorting one and longing the other. But yesterday I was long on Sol and I was short on ADA, and both hit the target. So it was kind of like, it's so weird doing like two different things like that. It just feels weird. But we gotta watch. We gotta watch for some stuff here. Let's see. So I'm okay with this move. I think we might come here. What time frame am I on? 10? Let's see what we get here at this zone. Not in yet. I'm not in anything yet. Not in anything notable yet, at least. Go watch the moon. Yeah, man. Go watch. Listen, go watch Carl from the moon and go get liquidated twice on Ethereum within the same week, because he said that the wick was very bullish, and I was saying that the big wick on Ethereum, this wick. See, this is where people don't know. I'm sorry. This is where people don't know. The moon is like, oh yeah, all the liquidity is taken. This is so bullish. I said this is the most bearish shit I've ever seen in my entire life, because Bitcoin didn't even take its range low and Ethereum dropped 25%, and they still didn't even take the equal lows. This was the most bearish. This is how I knew we were going to get capitulation 2.0. When I was talking about capitulation 2.0, that's how I knew. How do you think I knew? I knew because of Ethereum. It just doesn't make sense. I don't just long green dots. I don't just long divs. I don't look at the RSIs. I don't say, with respect, stupid shit like, okay, the RSI is so oversold. I don't say stupid shit like that. It could stay oversold out however long it wants, number one. And number two, we've been literally up only for 2 years. This is the first pullback we've had in the entire bull run. All right. Good morning, sunshine girl. Sunshine. Sun is shining and so are you. Anyways, I don't care. My point is I don't care about the haters anymore. I literally don't care. Ghost Tales says, appreciate your honest opinion. Thank you, Jew. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being understanding. Yo, bro, great stream as always. Quick question. Weeks or KSEX is the best place to trade? Thanks for your info. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm a little bit ticked off at all three of my exchanges. MEXC is annoying because they keep increasing the fees, which is very annoying. Or they keep changing the fees without even telling me, so it's annoying. KSEX has been annoying me lately as well. It's a little bit laggy. And then Weeks. Yo, I'm going to show you guys something that I probably shouldn't show you, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you this, man. Oh, man. Look at this. You know what? I don't want to show you. I don't want to show you. I don't want them to take it away from me. Wait, where did it go? Wait, what? What the fuck is going on? Hold on. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the story. Man, okay, so on Weeks, hold on, let me get this money the hell off of Weeks. Weeks, I would say, of all of them is the worst one. What? Okay, let me tell you the story. Let me get my money off of Weeks. Hold on. I'm gonna, not that anything's wrong with weeks, but I need to get my money off of weeks. I need to get my money off of weeks. And then I'll tell you the story. Okay, hold on. Let me just move it. We gotta move it. I like to move it, move it. Where are we gonna move it to? K6? Sure. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. Hold on, hold on. This is a funny story. Hold on. Hold the phone, okay? Hold on. Hold on, brethren. I need to just get my money off, and then I'll tell you the story. It's a funny story. Wait, what? The business has been currently frozen for what? Oh, man. Don't tell me they're fixing the problem. Damn it. I should have done this yesterday. Okay. Let me tell you the story. So I moved my money off of weeks. Okay. I moved my money off of weeks, right? I moved my money off of weeks. And then... Actually, you know what? I need to resolve this and then I'll tell you. I can't tell you the story right now, but I want to... Can I take that out? What the fuck is going on? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Wait, what? Okay, I gotta open up a support ticket. Okay, I'll tell you guys next time. I can't tell you right now. I gotta get this sorted out first. Anyway, whatever. Okay, man, that would have been a good story to tell you guys. I'm sorry to give you guys blue balls like that. Geo, bring back the OG workouts. The OG weekend song. Yeah, okay. It was Moth to a Flame, no copyright. Like a moth to a flame, I'll bring you in, I'll pull you back to what you need initially. Yeah. It's just one call away. Here you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. All right, let me catch. There are, you like big get. I might move to appreciate you, Darren. I might move to bit Unix. And I'm getting on what is it called? Avalanche or Snowfall or whatever? That new one. Yeah, Mexi. Yeah, Mexi's been annoying me lately. I've been on KSX mainly. I've been on KSX. Yeah, Sui. I talked to CryptoFace yesterday. We were on call yesterday and we were talking about Sui. That's why I actually added Sui to my list here. It was because of that. It was because I talked to him yesterday. He's like, bro, you gotta watch Sui. Dude, why is my shit so laggy? Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. I'm like being a horrible host right now. I don't know what the fuck is going on with all my exchanges. What the fuck's going on right now? Why is everything so laggy? Dude, my shit is like, I don't even know. What the fuck, man? My shit is mad laggy. All right. Anyways. Yeah, no snitchers in the chat. The Nexus already knows the story. But now I can't take that money, you know? Antarctic. Yeah, Antarctic is the one that we're going to go to. Shouts out to Alexandra G. Good morning. Joe, did I get into ADA? No, I did not get into ADA, but I will. I will. Don't worry. Don't you worry about me. I will. But no, I didn't get in. Let's see if we would have had an entry on ADA. You had a... Not really. Not really. I wouldn't have taken this. I wouldn't have taken this. Yeah, pace is crazy on Sui. I am going to try to short it, though, if we can get to... if we can get up here. So let me see what we see. I'm looking for an XRP short up here. Don't care about Doggy at the moment. Let's move Doggy out of the way. And I'm looking for a Sui short here. We're looking for this. See if we get it. See if we get it. If they don't give it to us, then they don't give it to us. And let me just check to the left and see what's there. What the heck did I just do? Okay, I don't even know what I just did, but whatever. Let's see what we get here. Put an alert. Okay, we're waiting for that. XRP, let's put an alert. Okay, we have our alerts. That's good. ETH is moving. We're watching for ETH as well. I really want to get long on ETH. Like, I want to get really long on ETH, but the problem is that ETH... So ETH front ran its level as well. The problem with ETH is that ETH has this. I can't long that. I need these lows to go. So hopefully we can get a move down on ETH. Still long on Solana. Didn't long ADA. Man, the position is there. It's a huge position, but there's many zones that it could have came for. That's the thing. This line I don't care about anymore. I will long Cardano. We need to get it. We need to close above here. We need to close above here. This position was hit. We need to close above this. Okay, hold on. I gotta move you guys like to the other side because I can't see my fucking... Like, I can't see what I'm trying to do. All right, where are we at on Biddy? I would like to come up to this box. I would like to. That would be the best case scenario, although we don't have to. We do not have to. Although I would like to. So what do we have now on Bitcoin? What does market cipher look like? Let's see. Looking not that bad, actually. Looking not that bad. Maybe we make our way up to the range high. We'll have to wait and see. Yeah, Antarctic. I will be getting on Antarctic soon. Hey, Joe, can I please show you how to draw the support resistance zones? They're just order blocks, bro. They are order blocks. We might take the high on Bitcoin. We might. We might. We might. This is my current plan on Bitcoin. This. And if nothing like this happens, like you could SFP the high, but any flip we get here, I'm shorting. If we get this, I'm shorting that. Let me see what time frame would invalidate. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. So if we SFP the high, which I think we might. I'll look for something like this. I'll look for something like that. If we don't SFP the high and we flip structure, then I will just try it anyway. So we'll see. Nothing to do yet. Nothing to do. We'll put an alert here. And I'm reacting. This is not a limit order. Don't put your stop loss here. That's not how I trade. Okay, we're watching it. We're watching it. Yesterday, a guy on Twitter posted that TA is not working on Bitcoin. Bro, everything has been perfect. We've been killing it. What are my ETH plans tomorrow after crypto meetings? I don't trade the meetings and the news and shit. Everything is usually, for the most part, already in the charts. So I don't, like, for me, I don't care about news. News is irrelevant to me. News is irrelevant to me. News is irrelevant. Okay, let's see if ADA doesn't take the high, Let's see if it SFPs the high. I don't know if I would try shorting it again. There are better things to short right now, like XRP. Did this high get taken? Yeah, it did. Okay. I would like XRP to come up a little bit higher before I short it. I would also like Sui to come up a little bit higher before I short it. I don't think I would short Doggy Coin. So we're watching Sui. Okay, let's get all the things we're watching right now on the screen. So we're watching Bitcoin. Remember, these are not positions. Don't just YOLO put your limit here. No, that's not how I trade, okay? That's not how I trade. Don't do that. Because what could happen is this could just pop off and go like this. It could happen. So don't you dare. No, that's not how I trade. These are ideas. And then if they work, if they do what I want them to do, then I take them. If they do not, then I do not take them. It is as simple as that. No need to be stupid and belligerent with our positions. We work hard for our money. We do not do it now. Okay, we do not do it now. Okay, so we're watching Bitcoin. We're watching Sui. We're watching... Do we care about ETH? We care about ETH if ETH comes up and takes the high. So for now, I would say no. Don't really care about Sol at the moment either. Although Sol should be quite easy, but I don't really care about Sol. ADA, I don't care about at the moment. Sui, we said. And XRP. XRP, we care about. XRP, we care about. Bitcoin, we care about. Do we care about anything else? Yeah, we might care about Link as well. We might short Link. We might short Link. Actually, I think we want to short Link. I think I'm gonna... Yeah, so we're gonna add Link as well. So XRP and Link. These are the 4 that I'm gonna watch right now. We'll see if we can get into some positions. See if we can get into some positions. Okay, let me think. Let me think. Hold on, I'll read your stuff in a second. Let me think. Okay. This is not the best break, but it's not a horrible break either. I would definitely need to see a reconfirmation for this to be a thing. Yeah, I need to see a reconfirmation here. A little bit too it's a little bit coming in too quick for me. Coming in a little bit too fast. I don't like it, but we're watching. Let me see. Let me check some volume. Okay, we just deviated the high and we just hit this. Okay, we're gonna monitor them all together. Okay, so Biddy's getting a little baby move right now down. We're looking for shorts anyway. Same with Sui. I would like Sui to take the high. I would like XRP to take the high. Neither of them have to, but I would like them to. So far, the best one that's setting up is Link. So far, Link is the best one in terms of execution. And you could argue like this whole zone is a short zone, but you would probably, if you decided to short Bitcoin here, you would probably want to cover 92.1. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. So remember, I'm in a very small position, but I'm trying to hammer it. Like I'm trying to find the hammer. All right. Biggest problem is that if we do not get trillions into the market, it goes nowhere. Small money does not do a blip. Yeah, I agree with that. Listen, I just think we're gonna go sideways for like 3 months. You know. When I draw the MS flip, do I short on the break or wait for the retracement? Depends on what happens. You can, like right now, you see this rejection, you can start getting your feet wet if you want to. You know, like I'm in a small position. You don't need to get in at the very top. You just need to know where the invalidation is. I'm in a very small position right now. I want to see something better. I'm not convinced yet that my money is protected if I enter. So I'm not going to enter yet. Why? XRP didn't take the high yet. Yeah, I mean, like, it's as simple as that. The whole market moves in tandem. SUI didn't take the high, and it's right there. XRP didn't take the high, and it's right there. Bitcoin does have this SFP level that's, like, available for the grabs. And, I mean, Link is, like I said, Link is the best-looking one. If Link loses this low, if Link loses that, then I might try it. I might try it. But it's too soon. It's way too soon right now. I don't know. Nothing's ever 100%, but I'm not 100% in the confident in the position. So I'm not going to take it. So when it comes to trading, if I don't pay attention to RSI, whatever, do I trade more supply and demand? That's all I trade is structure and supply and demand. Man, the MACD and the stochastic RSI and all that shit, dude, like that's all retail. I don't think like retail. I don't trade like retail. That's all retail shit. And retail loses. If 95% of retail loses, why on earth would I trade like retail? That's my approach. And I'm not knocking anybody that does it. Maybe we get this pump for tomorrow news. Yeah, people are saying it's probably going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news. We'll see. My overall favorite play is to get that swing short on Bitcoin, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll have to wait and see what happens. That's why you got to be cool, calm, and collected. You got to wait. You need patience. This game is patience. Patience pays. There's no need to jump in right now. There's no need to get overly aggressive. The move's not going to happen without you. There's always a way to get in. Always. Yeah, man, it's complicated. One day is the bonds. Do I always enter market? Not always. Not always. Not always. I'm not gonna check Link right now. Sorry. When I draw the MS flip, do I always short on the break? Yeah, it depends, man. Sometimes I enter like depends on what's happening, you know. Sometimes I get in on the break. Sometimes I get in. I limit in. Like sometimes, like right now, for example, if I was more confident in this exact play, which I'm not like fully confident in it, only because of like this. Only because of this. If this looked like this, if this wick was like this, then I would already be in. I would probably just start setting limit orders. But you need to take everything into consideration, right? And then just, man, this is what people don't do. And I don't know why they don't do this. Man, just trade what's easy. Like right now, Link is the easiest one. Link is the easiest one so far. So why would we force it on something that we don't know when Link is the easy one? Just trade the easy one. People don't do that. I don't know why. People are so obsessed with their one coin. Just look for what's easy. Take what's easy. Why complicate shit? Yesterday's Cardano short was so fucking easy. It was so easy. Why am I going to sit here and like, oh, is this bullish? Is this bearish? But you could just trade what's like in front of you. Like just trade the easy thing. Like right now, Sui's not easy. If Sui takes the high, if Sui does this, I'm shorting this with my eyes closed, right? If it doesn't, then I'm not doing it. Why force it? Why force XRP right now? Now XRP is better than Sui because XRP at least took that. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. It's not the worst one, but just trade what's easy. Link is about to be easy. You know? Link is about to be easy. I gotta reach out to the support. I can't withdraw my funds. These guys, I'm getting off of weeks, man. I'm gonna dump weeks. I don't know what these guys are doing, man. Weeks is pissing me off. All right. I would like to see this. I would like to see this. Give me this. This is the best case scenario. Give me that. Eyes closed. I'm shorting it. Dude, I'm so getting off of weeks. We're done with weeks. I'm about to fucking blow one up on weeks. Jan, shout out to Jan. Jan's got all the music down, bro. Do I wait for MSF on XRP and SUI while trading SFPs, or do I trade the SFP? It depends, man. It depends. It depends. Usually I wait for some kind of flip. Waiting for the flip is going to give you a better risk to reward anyway. Provided my user ID. You guys can't get my fucking UID. Like, what are we doing here, bro? What are we doing with these fucking exchanges? I'm so mad at all the exchanges lately. All of them I'm mad at. Honestly, all of them. They're all shit. Do I have any other questions? Yes. We just did this. Jeez, man. There's no link or SUI on breakout. Yo. Okay. Hold on. I thought of the best idea yesterday, and I want to tell you guys my idea. So I have, I'm going to Miami in 3 weeks. Okay. I'm going to Miami, and I'm not going to trade with my own money while I'm in Miami, because when I do that, I lose. I'm always stupid. I get fucked up, and this is a stupid idea. Don't ever do that. So I'm going to get back on breakout, and I'm going to make a breakout account. Now I'm going to give you guys full disclosure. I've had like 5 breakout accounts. I have funded 3 of them. And then now I have none of them. Okay. But I'm going to get back on breakout. I'm not going to be stupid like I always am. Okay. And what I'm going to do, what I think I'm going to do is in the Nexus, we're going to do like, I'm going to make me and the Nexus all pass the funded accounts. So I'm going to make a video on the YouTube, and I'm like, how to use breakout, how to approach it, how to, handle the risk to reward situation because you have your allowance, right? But I'm going to take every trade with the Nexus, and I'm going to get everybody funded accounts. That is the goal. That's going to be my idea. So if you're in the Nexus, stay tuned for that, because I'm going to get everybody funded. That is the plan. These fixed weeks, I will try, man. I'm going to talk to my guy. Does it go against their rules? Okay, never mind. I'm not going to do that. Are we in any trades of right now? Do I have any course? I do have a course. The course resides on the website. So if you come on over to, this is the Nexus, by the way. But if you come on over to enterthenexus.com. Oh, that's the back end. I can't show you that. If you come over to enterthenexus.com and you come to the Nexus trading course, you can see the course here. And I'm currently working on module 5, and it's included in your memberships. So yes, I do have a course, and I have discontinued the boot camps. Who knows the project? Oh, that's a bot. Okay, don't listen to that guy. Can I rap? Nope. Okay, Sui's coming for the high. XRP might be coming for the high. Link is coming for the high. Nothing to do yet. Nothing to do yet. Nothing to do. We're waiting. Can I please explain how I got into the ADA short? Yeah. I can explain how we got into the ADA short. By the way, we are still long on Solana, for the record. Okay, how did we get into the ADA shorts? Easy. Easy. Right here. So look, yeah, you never flipped structure, fine, but look at this liquidity. Like, whenever I have liquidity, I'm always going to be looking for a reason to grab that liquidity. So So if you're going to pull your range, which you could do, right? You have your range. Here was your range high. Here was your range low. Okay. Then obviously you're adjusting the range. You know where the liquidity is. So you're going to adjust the low. You deviated the high. Okay. Fine. Whatever. But you're in the premium section of the range. Okay. You're in the premium section of the range. You flipped on the 10-minute. So, okay. So you hit this order block first. Let's start with that. You hit this block. You're in the premium section of the range. And after you hit the block, you had this. You had up, you had down, you had up, you had down, and you had break. So the expectation is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And because we're in the extreme section, or we're in the premium section of the range, and you have easy liquidity to shoot for, that's justifiable. And you hit an order block, and you got the confirmation. So I did make a mistake. I did originally short from here. So I shorted this. I shorted this with my stop above there, and then I got stopped out. And then I knew it's the same thing with like what's happening on Bitcoin right now. But I knew this was up here. Then we hit that. As soon as I saw the rejection, I got in again. Literally, I got in right here. Right? Like something like that. Stop was right here. Maybe like that. You know, 9 risk to reward. Actually, more than that. It was down to here. It was down to this low. Okay. Yeah, 9 risk to reward. That was the trade. Very simple. Very simple. Just a range trade. Very easy. Very, very easy. Super duper easy. Okay. Let's see. What are we doing here right now? Geo is following White Phoenix method. Listen, I've said it many times. Phoenix is the best. The best of anybody that you guys know. In my opinion, Phoenix is the best one. And I've obviously changed. I've obviously changed the way that I trade, and I've obviously found a lot of success. And by the way, Phoenix and I are homies. I'm gonna try to get him on the channel. He's gonna come on the channel soon. We're gonna get him on the channel soon. Okay, I'm gonna delete this because I don't want anyone to think that I'm in these positions yet. All right, Stewie. Now we're talking. Okay, now we're talking. Let's see what happens here. If it blows the level, then you don't take the trade. If it doesn't blow the level, then we can take the trade. How does market cipher look? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. We shall see. Now I don't need this level anymore. The technical play is to wait for this low to go. You technically want that low to go, but we'll have to wait and see. This is where you can choose to, if you want, you know, get your feet wet if you want to. You don't have to. This is not financial advice. This is not confirmed yet. But I'm just saying, this is the level. Right? This is the level. So we'll see what happens. What's XRP doing? All right, so XRP now just swept its liquidity. We'll see what XRP ends up doing. Things are lining up. Link. Okay, things are lining up. Now we still need to see that same low go. So I'm going to remove the positions because I don't want anyone to think that I'm entering them. I haven't entered yet. ADA just is SFPing this low right now. I'm not interested in shorting it. Not really. I'm not really interested in shorting ADA right now. I want Bitcoin to come up though. So what's happening locally on Bitcoin is you might be getting a 1, 2, and a 3. Right? This is a local range. Very small time frame range, but it is a range. So things are lining up right now so far. So far, things are good. Nothing yet. I want XRP to take the high. I will feel a lot better if XRP takes the high. I will feel a lot better about it. And I'm starting to feel like not great about Link anymore. And ADA, I don't really care to short here. The thing about ADA though is ADA now, which I didn't realize, put in these equal lows. Oh, no, it didn't. I lied. It swept it. Okay. It's good. That's good that it swept it. That's good for ADA. That's good for ADA. Okay, so if Bitcoin loses this low. So, okay, here's the situation right now. Here's your structure. You have up, you have down, you have up, you have down, you have up. If you lose that low, technically speaking, this justifies an entry. However, because of this block above, I need to be aware that they could just fake down, fake up. Right? They could break down, fuck up the structure traders, then do this, then do this. That's possible. That is a possible scenario. So we're going to watch it. We're going to monitor it. We're going to monitor it. I don't really like this low either anymore on Sui. This idea might be canned. Let's see what happens on XRP. I'm really interested in XRP. XRP is the one that I want to get into the most. Not Link, yeah, no, XRP. For me, it's XRP. XRP is the easiest one. It's so easy. This is so easy to run for. So if we can get something like this, for example, let's just say it does this. Let's just say it does this, okay? Let's make a best case scenario, which I don't know if we're going to get it. Okay, this would be like the best case scenario. Like that. Then you could get... I hope that happens, man. I hope it happens so bad. That's going to be a 5 risk to reward right there. That's an easy trade. Like, that is so easy. That is so easy. But again, I don't know if they're going to give it to us. But that's a very easy trade. Again, this is where you may decide, you know, you might be like, you know what? I'm going to try. I'm going to start scaling in. The idea is like not very, you know, not very far away. If it starts blasting up, you can get at, like, this is just the idea, right? This is the trade management part that I can't tell you what to do. I can't, you know, this is your risk. Do you want to start? Do you want to go in 10%? I mean, I probably wouldn't, but now's where you can decide to, right? Cardano now needs to break above this high for me to say, all right, we probably have a nice low in. Biddy's looking like it's trying to distribute here. Or maybe it's a 1, it's a 2, and it's a 3. That would be way better. But we're watching it. We're watching it. Sui hit the level, hit the SFP. You close below here, Sui's coming down. Close below there, Sui's coming down. All right, let's catch up. Phoenix is the GOAT. Absolutely, I agree. I agree with you. 100% I agree with you. I talk to him every day. Like, we literally talk all the time. Why am I moving around? It's because I'm walking. Because I'm walking. I'm on the treadmill. HFG, what's up, brother? Do I trade ADA? Yes, I do. I just got out of an ADA short. We just got out of an ADA short. We hit a beautiful 9 risk reward yesterday on ADA in the Nexus. Market is doing its part in teasing. Yeah, I think we're just going to go sideways for the next 3 months. Sell the news. Yeah, everybody's saying it's a sell the news. I don't know, man. Listen, this week was a weird week. I've been telling the Nexus the entire time that, like, this week is a wild card kind of week. This is a wild card kind of week. It's like to me, it's like the election and the inauguration. You know? To me, it's like election and inauguration. I don't know what it is. Okay, did this? Yeah, see, this might be it. That could be it. If we get below here, if we close below here, I'm gonna try it. We get this, I'm gonna try it. We get that, I'm gonna try it. If not, I'm hoping for one more push up, but I don't know if we're going to get that. Sui's looking decent. Let me check what Solana's doing. You got the long? Nice, bro. I didn't get the long. I'm waiting for something better. You're up 10K. Oh, the long from 90. Bro, you know where I longed from? Oh, here. Wow, that's good. You know where I longed from? I'm not even joking. I swear to God, even ask the Nexus. We longed from right here. I had two amazing longs. I almost made 80K. I almost made 80K on ADA. We longed from here, from this wick I longed from. And I longed from right here. I swear to God, even ask the Nexus. Right here. Literally right here I longed. Right there. And I told the Nexus that I longed too. And I came on the one... I was on the 1 minute time frame. I saw this. I saw this. Where did my highlighter go? Where the fuck did my highlighter just go, bro? Okay. I saw this. I saw pop, pop, pop. 1, 2, 3. We were deep into the zone. It was either this was going to work or it wasn't. I swear on my life, I longed right here. Stop right there. Up only from there. I swear on my life. And I told the Nexus that I longed from there. I told the Nexus that. Okay. I want Bitcoin to take the high again. Let's see if Biddy can take the high again. Come on. I want to get into a trade. Where would I target on Sui? Probably 258. Honestly, my favorite target would be down to 244. Like this, I'm not saying it's going to happen. You got to watch it. But this has potential to be like a 9 or 10 risk to reward trade. Just because of the equal lows. Man, I'm always targeting liquidity. Like that's always going to be my answer for everything. You know? Am I holding any spot Bitcoin? Not anything like of significance. Not anything worth talking about. I'm primarily a trader, bro. Like I have altcoins, yeah. And actually what's funny is that like, for example, I bought Solana now on this recent drop. I bought on the lows of this dip after the capitulation 2.0. So I have alts. Everybody told me that I missed the boat. Yeah, okay. Really funny. But I don't have any, I don't have enough. Like there's no point for me in buying Bitcoin. I'm never gonna buy Bitcoin above like where we're at right now. I'm never in a million years gonna buy Bitcoin. Never ever. And that's just me, you know. If you do, then great on you. If you do not, then not great on you. But you know, it's up to you. It's up. Everyone does what they want to do, right? To each their own. To each their own. I do not own. Yeah, no. And if I had any significant Bitcoin, I wouldn't have even made it up here. I would have sold. Everyone's like, Geo, where would you sell your Bitcoin now when we were at like 100 and whatever? And I'm like, dude, I wouldn't have even made it up here. Like, I believe Bitcoin's overvalued, but that's me. Like, again, to each their own. All right, this is looking like a distribution right now. We're getting a 1, we're getting a 2, we're getting a 3. If we close below here, I'm going to try it. But I'm also going to keep in mind that they could come for this. They don't have to, but they could come for it. Same thing like they did on the ADA when I was talking about the ADA recap. What was the other coin that I was looking at? Sui. This needs to be Sui. Okay, let's see what's going on Sui. Sui's SFPing as well. Sui's looking good right now. This is looking like a good idea. Okay, here's what I want to see now on Sui. This is demand. There's two things that I want to see. Two scenarios. Either we hit the demand, we SFP the high again, and then you lose it. I'm shorting that with my eyes closed. Or you hit the demand, you do not come back up, or you come back up, but you don't take the high. And then you lose this low. So it's either this. Okay, let me just draw it out. Very easy. It's a similar idea, but two ways it could happen. This, SFP and down. Actually, let me draw it like this. So this, react off of that and down. I'm shorting that with my eyes closed. Or on this bounce, you SFP the high, and then down. Okay. So the way that I would enter is if we get this, I would probably just try something like that. I would just try it. At that point, I would try it because you're getting what appears to be a 1, a 2, and a 3. I would try it. And then this is the better one, though. This is the higher probability one. This one. The non-SFP one. So now that we know what we're looking for, we have that ready. I need to see this exactly. Exactly this I need to see. And then I would probably enter like... By the time it'll probably do this. If it's going to do this idea, it'll probably do it like this. My guess would be something like this. Let's do it like that. It would be like this. That's how it would probably be. And that's the way better one. Like this is way better. So we have to wait and see. We'll wait. XRP, I really want XRP now to take the high. I don't think I would short it unless it did take the high. Personally, I don't think I would. Link on hold for now. Link is pending for now. So fly like a white guy. Okay, Bitcoin's losing the low. Not yet. I mean, it's starting to head there. Starting to head there. See what Sui does. I would still try this on XRP, but I don't like this idea. This is not my favorite one. Like if I was gonna only take one trade, I don't love this one. I might opt to skip on XRP. Although I think XRP is the best like risk to reward. I don't love the idea. I like this idea way better. Coming up and taking the high is way, way better. This one I don't like. And I actually don't even think I would cover the high. Because if XRP is destined to go down, like if it's going to come back for that high, it's going to take this high and then it's going to hit this. So there's no point of even covering the high. If I was going to enter like this, I would enter it like probably like this. But I don't know. I might just wait for additional follow through. Like at that point, what I might wait for is something like this. Let's just say we do lose the low like that and then come up and then you lose this low. I might enter it on this one and do it like that. You'll probably get a better risk reward doing it that way because this is like, it's sketchy. Waiting for one break here is kind of sketchy. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay. All right, let's check. Yeah, Trump will dump on you. Did I see the ETH short that the guy's on Twitter? Oh, yeah, I did. First of all, why is Weeks like I can't even get through to their support, first of all. Second of all, guys, we have 231 people in here and we only have 81 likes. So please do me a solid because we do this every day in the Nexus, and the more engagement, you know, I haven't been going live this year. This is, I think, the 3rd or 4th live this year, but I want to start live streaming again this, you know, frequently this year. So please do me a solid. 227 people in here. I'm giving you guys the sauce. I'm showing you the trenches. Do me a solid. Hit the like button. We have 227. Let's get the likes up to 150. That's not even that much. We're at 105 now. 45 more likes. 40 more likes. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate it. Thank you for liking. It helps me grow and it helps support me, and I very much appreciate it. All right, let's continue. Let's see. I want to get into a position. Let's get into one. Did you miss the VIP code? That's funny, man. Okay, so the plan is good so far. The box got hit. Now we wait. Sui, we wait. I'm interested in Sui. We're going to try it. Not yet. We're going to try it. We're going to try it. XRP, I want to take the high. I want to. Give me the high. It's way better. Link is on the back burner right now. So far, my top 3 are Bitcoin, Sui, and XRP. But XRP is my number one that I'm watching. Let's see what we get. Nothing to do. Patience. Patience pays. I've been on the fence. Can we make it? Young, dumb, and broke, but my... What's my plan on Bitcoin? Do you mean locally? Do you mean macroly? Do you mean, like, what do you mean? How do you mean? You got your money off of weeks? Yeah, by the way, guys, if you want to trade on the exchanges that I trade on, Mexi, KSEX are the best, in my opinion. KSEX, you do not need to KYC. KSEX is actually my favorite exchange at the moment. And until further notice, I don't fuck with weeks. Weeks is pissing me off. And in fact, let me message my rep, because this shit is not okay. Like, this shit is so not okay. It's not like, it is so not okay. Hold on. You just message this guy real quick. I just found a gun and the bed. Should we take it? Young, dumb, and broke, but mom. If I die tonight, let me see your butt naked. All withdraw. Oh, now it's working. Oh, they took back the balance. Okay, now I can tell you guys what happened. Now I can tell you guys... Wait, where did you guys go? Okay. Now I can tell you guys what happened, because they took back my money. Okay. Basically, this is what happened. You know how... I'm still going to get my money off of weeks, though. Okay, so you know how Bitcoin had the scam wick apparently to 100K? And then Ethereum had a scam wick apparently down to 0. So I was long. Actually, let me just tell you, or let me just show you what happened. I'll just play the video for you. Now that it's over, I can play the video for you. Here. All right, check this out. They fixed it. I should have just took my money and run with it. Stupid. Anyways, look. Yo, guys, this is so funny. Okay, listen. You know how I told you I put limit orders? Apparently, that scam wick on weeks triggered some limit orders for me. So I'm up $1,500 right now. Apparently, I'm long 4 ETH. And look at where I'm long from. 1865. We didn't even touch 1865. Anyway, we didn't even touch it. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it. You know what? Let's get some copyright strikes. Anyways, I thought that was funny. I got the New York City in the palm of my hand. On my dick. Run it up. Anyway, so Weeks scammed me because they took back the money that I shouldn't have had. But so they scammed me, so I'm mad at Weeks at the moment. Mad at Weeks at the moment. All right. What are we doing here, boys? What are we doing? Like, this is a snooze fest. We're trying to get into some trades. So far, Sui is doing good. So far, Sui's doing all right. So far, XRP is doing all right. Good. I want to see the high get taken on XRP. XRP is my number one. I'm losing interest in Litecoin. Don't really care about, Link. Sorry, Link. Losing interest in Link at the moment. Don't care about ADA at the moment. These are the three. Shouts out to Dave Digital in the house. In the house. Locally, Indy. What I'm looking at on what I'm what I'm looking at right now is potentially this. I kind of want the high to go. I'm looking for this. If it does that, I'm gonna short it. Sui, if it does this, I'm gonna short it, or this. Gonna short either one. And then XRP, if it does this, I'm gonna short it. And the XRP one is the best one. XRP one is the best one. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it. Stop on that. Okay. Yeah, man, let's check USDT dominance. Bro, let's explore. Listen, if you're gonna say shit, I'm gonna ask you what right now that I'm doing means I'm copying Jay. Please elaborate. Because I'm walking? Because I have a treadmill? Because Jay's the one that recommended? Because he's the one that recommended me to get a walking treadmill? Is that why? Anyway. Yeah, man. I copy him because I walk. You're right. Okay. Let's see. What are we doing? Okay. Sui. XRP. It's called, this one's called Air Hot. I've had like two of them have broken already. Two of them have broken. This one's been the best one so far. It's called Air Hot. I don't know. Yeah, man. I know. It's okay. Whatever. Let's see what we get over here. No, they don't have incline. They don't have incline. Here, I'll show you a picture. It is so hot. Oh my gosh. I had my heater on before getting on the treadmill. It's so hot in here. Okay, let me show you. We found each other. I helped you out of a broken place. So that's it. That's the one that I'm on. Right there. Air Hot. That's like literally all I know. And that's my heater. That's making me on fire right now. Yeah, man, let's go over dominance too. Let's talk about, man, USDT dominance is my bread and butter, dude. Actually, let's check USDT dominance. Yeah, so USDT dominance is trying to pop here. I think the market's gonna go down, guys. I think we're gonna go down. I think we're gonna go down until dominance comes back up to 5.1 at the very least. This is demand. This is your structure break. This is your retest. This is your continuation up to get all that. I think we're going to go down. I think we're on the right track with our short ideas. I could be wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. Okay, so far, Stewie is doing the plan. Stewie is following the plan perfectly. Now I want to see us lose this low. If you lose this low, actually, technically, there's still that demand. Yeah, so if you lose this low, I'm going to go in on Stewie. Or if you take the high and SFP the high, I'm going to do it. And I want to see XRP lose. XRP is my favorite one, man. Please give me XRP. And Nexus, be on standby because I'm going to let you guys know when I enter. Okay, Link, like I said, I've lost interest. It's really dominance. I don't know if I care about Ada and Link right now. We found each other. I helped you out of a broken place. You gave me comfort. Okay. Suey. Let's get rid of this line. We don't need it. Let's get rid of this line. We don't need it. Everything else we need. Everything else we need. Let's see if we take the high again. See if we take the high. And I wouldn't want it to go very far. I think like this is the furthest I would be okay with it going before I just stop looking at Suey. Let me see how far. Let's see how far I would allow it to go. Yeah. Something like around like here. Let's see what happens. See what happens. We are simply in a range. We are simply in a range. Where did my music go? Yo, what's the song that's like what is that song? Can somebody tell me the name of that song, please, if you know it? Dude, walking is the most, I say it all the time. If you guys, yo, the treadmill is so good. Dude, it is so good. It's so good. You know what? For me, because I have ADHD, when I'm walking, I don't realize I'm working. And when I'm working, I don't realize I'm walking. So it's a win-win, you know? And I can get fit because your boy's going to Miami. Bro, chill. Why you got to get offended? Is a cool guy. He also does the trading thing stuff. That's why. No, bro, it's all good. Listen, I'm not hating. It's just like, man, like, you know, at the beginning of my YouTube, everybody was so annoying. Like, okay. Let me give you an example. So, dude, first of all, I'm friends with Jay, man. Like, him and I are boys. It's not, there's no hate. I'll give you an example, though. Jay one time came into my stream, and he's like, yo, sing the Pump song. And I was like, send me the link. So I did it. And then people are like, oh my God, he's copying Jay. Oh my God. Like, it's just annoying. Dude, if there was anybody to copy, Jay's a fucking millionaire, bro. He's disciplined. He's jacked. He has a family. He has kids. Like, like, there's worse people to try to copy, you know? I have no shame in it. It's annoying. Like, it's annoying. And if people say stupid shit, then I'm going to call people out on their stupid shit. It's no hate on you. It's just like, it's annoying, bro. Like, I've heard it so many times. By the way, can I explain why I emphasize taking the two highs? It's about confirming liquidity sweeps. Wait, which highs are you talking about, bro? On which coin? Which one are we talking about? Man, listen, if you're a crypto trader, there's no denying that that Jay has had a whole influence. Like, Jay's had an influence on the entire space. You know, there's no shame in it. I've given my flowers, you know. He's changed the entire crypto space. He changed the entire market cipher, people. Half of the people that use market cipher use the same half of the people that use the same color candles he has. You know, he has a very, man, like, you know, I've given my flowers where they're due. Okay, yo, listen, this AI thing, you guys need to get out. All these bots need to go. Hide user, hide user. You think saying giving flowers is gay? You think flowers are gay, bro? Dave, are you married? Are you married, bro? Does your wife not like flowers? Okay, so this is an SFP of the high. SFP in the high. If you break that low, I'm gonna give it a shot. Yo, do I think tomorrow's event will pump BTC and then shorting feels dangerous for the next 48 hours? I understand the technicals are important. I'm gonna give you the honest answer to that, Aziz. I think that longing and shorting for the rest of the week is risky. Either way. I think either way. Whether it's a buy the rumor, sell the news, whatever. Man, at any moment, listen, Trump right now, okay? Trump right now, you know what he has, the market? He has all of the traders. Like, you know when you're, I mean, I don't know if this has ever happened to you. Probably not. Maybe if you're in sports. If someone's grabbing your balls and like you can't move, like one wrong move and like, you know, maybe Dave like upset his wife by not giving her flowers. So she's like grabbing him very hard, gripping him by the balls. And you're just like froze. That's how Trump has the market right now. Trump has the market by the balls right now. So at any moment, he could just say, yo, listen, tariffs are off. And then shit pumps. Or at any moment, they might be like, yo, I'm going to double your tariffs. You're all screwed. Like, man. So yeah, I think everything right now is like the truthfully is everything is risky. Okay, Sui's doing good. Sui's following the plan so far. If Sui starts closing below here, I'm gonna give it a shot. XRP, I don't like how it's not touching the high. I really don't like it. It's the best one to get in, and it's the worst looking, which is kind of bummy. Yeah, Cardano's starting to roll over as well. We'll see. It's all about USDT dominance. USDT dominance is the star of the show. Watch this. If you close above here, oh baby. Close above there, it's not good for longs. Tell you that. All right. Hello, Crypto Princess. I need to get back to you. I've been so busy with my own stuff. I'm very sorry. I've been horrible to collab with. You love small channels like Flopping Groper and Divine Hood. Everyone's different. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I'll tell you this. The big channels, like being this side of the screen, being the creator, people don't know anything, dude. Like I see it. The big channels don't know anything. Literally nothing. Like it's really bad. There are fresh pink and red roses with yellow lilies on the table. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got to spoil our wives. Not that I have one. Geo, quick question. Can we take the low again on USDT? Yeah. I mean, everything is possible. You definitely could take the low out again. You definitely could. Here, let me tell you what I think is going to happen on USDT dominance, okay? So I think the market's going to continue to range, which means I also think dominance is going to continue to range. We have equal lows at 439 that I think if you start like losing the low, you start losing 472, you're going to make your way to 439. There's nothing else really in the way. So if you start losing the low that we put in, then it's better. But losing it, I don't mean ranging at it. I mean losing it. If you start losing it, everything will pump. But you have equal highs. You have 3 different highs above you that you need to be aware of. One is at 509, which are equal highs. And you have liquidity. You have equal highs at 537, and then you have the high at the you have one block above where the high was. Okay, so here's what I think is going to happen. I think we're gonna come up. We're either gonna hit this box or we're gonna hit this line, one of the two, which means the market's gonna go down. Okay, then either at this box we range, or we'll probably range a little bit, and then we either continue higher, or we come down and then, you know, everything's gonna pump. I don't know yet. I haven't, like, I need to see where prices are, where everything is relative to USDT when that happens. But I do ultimately believe that these highs are going to get taken eventually, and I do think that this line is going to get taken eventually as well. My preferred scenario right now currently is exactly this: up, down, range here a little bit, up, sweep these highs, get a flip here, and then down. Or this comes up to this box. So these are kind of the same idea. These two are the same idea. This is the safer one, but it doesn't really matter. That's what I prefer in general, up and then down. Which means in general, I prefer the market from here goes down and then up. Jabs this gig along. Link short looking good. Not yet. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. Link short will be good once the low gets taken. I need the low to go, but it's probably gonna happen. My guess is it would happen. Yeah. My only problem with it is that did XRP take the high? XRP didn't take the high. Sui is about to take the high. Looks like it wants to, so that's good. And yeah, it's looking ready, but we're not. It's looking a possibility, but it's not a trigger yet. Like, I'm not pulling the trigger on Link yet, but there is a short here. There is a short here. Yeah, there's a short here. Look at how we came exactly to the high of the box. These boxes are crazy, man. If you know, you know. If you're in the Nexus, you know. Thing for you, Jeanette. My ex's name was Jeanette. Shouts out to G, baby. If price makes high or low, you know what? I'm gonna send her that. I'm gonna clip that and I'm gonna send it to her. That's funny. Probably a bad idea, but whatever. How do I analyze my SFPs? I wait for the high to go or the low to go, and then I wait for a structure flip. So like this, for example, is a valid SFP. Right? This is a valid SFP. You have this high. You took the high, and then you flipped structure, which confirms this as an SFP. So my overall target, you're not going to like it, but I'm going to tell you because you asked. What's your structure? High time frame structure is what? It's high, it's low, and now it's high SFP. So because it's confirmed SFP now, your target becomes the low. So this might be like a pretty good risk to reward trade. I mean, it's not bad, you know? 7 risk to reward, why not? Maybe we should start scaling in. Let's start scaling in. We're about to lose that low. Link is looking good. Like good for shorting, I mean. Sui's all right. Did XRP take the high yet? If it loses, then I'm gonna try it. But I don't like the highs, but I'm gonna try it. Link is now starting to be the best one. Look at how things change, man. Look at how things change. I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Whatever. I'm gonna try it. I'm going in. Bum, 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 new, 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 new. Do, 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 do. Let's do... 2,000. Okay. See how it progresses. So we're in. The overall target is this big boy over here. See if we get it. It might take some time. Things might get rocky. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, ADA looks like it's rolling over. USDT is breaking that high. Things are looking good to the downside. Things are looking good to the downside. He said, no, no, ni figgy do. All right. Okay, let's check Sui. Did Sui take the high again? All right, Sui's still chilling. Bitcoin is breaking the low. I really want to go hard on Bitcoin. I really want to go hard on Bitcoin. Too early for downside? Yeah, I don't know. You're a permabull, bro. You're the guy that are you the guy that hates on you're the guy that hates on literally everybody that posts anything bearish or even neutral, right? If I'm not mistaken. Short everything to zero. Dude, I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. If I can, I'm trying. Is the Nexus something to be learner? Wait, is this something to be learned in the Nexus? Yes. It is something to be learned in the Nexus, yeah. It's all there. It's literally all there. Shouts out to crypto guy on the internet. You smell a Sui short? I also smell a Sui short. Oh, to 310. Oh, at 310. I don't have anything at 310. I mean, maybe. I actually smell a Sui short here. It's better here. I like taking the high. SFP this high, that's a short for me. That is a short for me. That is a short for me. All right, so Bitcoin is moving. Bitcoin is starting to move. Bitcoin is starting to move. This is Bitcoin's last hope. If you lose this low again, it's going down. You lose this low again, we're going down. We're going down. Oh, Sui did take it on other exchanges? Okay, there you go. Well, Sui, I mean, we already drew what we wanted, right? We drew this. We drew down, we drew up, and then down, close. I'm going to short that. Right? We drew that already. Or we drew the SFP. So it's either way. You start closing below this block. This block, you close below it. I guess we could just say this block. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this line. Get rid of that. You start closing below here. There, that's a short. And you got to just be aware of what happens here. So if it does this, close below here, and then it does this, and then it fails it, that's an easy short. Eyes closed. Literally eyes closed. So we'll see. We'll watch it. We will watch it. All right. XRP. Did XR... Can somebody... Did XRP take it anywhere else? I don't really check other shit. Let me see XRP. Let's check XRP. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna go. Everything looks like it wants to go down, guys. Literally everything. I want to get in XRP, man. I think XRP is the play. XRP is the play. It's the best one right now. Okay, Link is doing okay. Link is doing all right now. If you lose the low that we just had, it is so over. Link is fucked. You lose this low, it's over. ADA is kind of the same situation. You started SFPing the high. You're getting low time frame distribution. USDT is bullish. USDT remains mega bullish, by the way. In the long term of it, like things haven't changed yet. You know, USDT, in my opinion, USDT dominance needs to come up and take some of these levels. It's not going to leave these equal. I don't think it's going to leave these equal highs behind. So we're bullish on USDT dominance, which is bearish for the market. Okay. This is Bitcoin's last hope. If it doesn't hold this zone, the high is in and we go down. And if that happens, then I'm going to close my my Solana long. If price makes higher low, we pull range from that higher low. What if price breaks above previous higher high and we create new higher high? Will we pull from that high? So you're talking structure. So you're talking structure. So let's use Link as an example. Okay, let's use Link. So let's hide everything and let's talk a range, right? So you have the range high, you have the range high, and you have the range low, right? It was like this. Then you deviate the range high, you come back in, you adjust it up. So you adjust it like that. Okay. Then you have what appears to be a PO3, right? You have what appears to be a PO3, which played out. By the way, that's even more bearish for the record. When you broke above and then you gain acceptance back in, you're gonna move it up again. So now this is your range. And then when it moves down, you're gonna move it down like this. And then if you put the midpoint line, you can see the middle line, the middle yellow line here. I'll make it thick, make it nasty. So this is your premium. This is your discount relative to this range. So if you're scalping, now you're not looking to short it now. But because we had this distribution, because you already broke this structure bearishly, we're looking for shorts, right? And because USDT dominance is undeniably bullish. So now, if we come back up again, if we get something like this, you get that, then then I'm going like full position in on that. I'm watching it right now. We're not in full position yet. But things do look like they want to go down. It looks like it wants to. It's gonna all be up to Bitcoin. Here's the, like, this is it now, right? This is a break. That's a break. So this now is a short zone. And we're in a supply chain, and this is the last demand before all of this, right? So it's either this demand holds, or you're probably coming down to at the very least 88.2. But you're probably gonna come for 86.2. Brother, we'll talk on X. Yeah, we'll see you on X, bro. Oh, you're talking to your other person? Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Oh, what just happened? I just lost my screen. Do you guys still see the screen? I just lost the screen. All right. Okay, so look at this comment. So Zavio says, I joined Nexus 1 week ago, guys, and already up 15% of my portfolio, so can vouch for it. Okay, right there. Proof is in the pudding. Proof is in the pudding. Fuck lower highs, just get high. Paid actor, yeah. Is there a case for longs? Yeah. Yeah, there's a case for longs. On which asset, though? We have many cases for longs, brethren. Which pair you want? I'll give you some longs. Right now, in this moment, I'm not looking for longs. No, there's no longs right now. We're in short zones across the board. If you want a long USDT dominance. You're underwater on Sui. I mean, there's a case. There's a case. I would never long here, but there's a case. I'm about to know. I'm about to know where we're going in maybe an hour here. I'll know. It depends on this block. All depends on this. If Bitcoin loses this, in my opinion, we're coming down to 86.2. If you lose this, FK on your ADA short. What can you expect on a lower time frame? Here's what I would do. Here's what I'm looking for. If you get this now, so we're coming up, right? If you get this, like eyes closed short, in my opinion. But I still prefer coming up to 92. I still prefer this, but we'll have to wait and see. We'll find out soon. We're gonna know soon. We're gonna know soon. This is the rhythm of the night. Okay, here's the moment of truth now on Sui. Sui starts losing this low. Not good. Not good. Not good at all. XRP, not good. I want XRP to lose the high, though. If XRP takes the high, better. Better. I don't think it will, but... This is the rhythm of the night. The night. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some kush up in it. Check the NASDAQ? Bro, you're such a troll. I'm in a long on Sui from where to add. Yeah, I can't tell you where to add, bro. Sui hit the low. You were in CryptoFace's live stream. He was shorting the bottom and he got out just in time before shit hit the fan. Literally the most emotional flopping and groping you've ever seen. When was that? Was that today? Oh, 2 days ago? Was that when he was like, I'm gonna short? Was that when he was like, I'm gonna short market open? Yeah, you're right, Jabs. You're right. You're right. 4 hour is bearish, but the daily looks bullish. If we go to top momentum, we just don't know. Yeah, I mean, I don't really use the indicators anymore. He was in the short before market open. Okay, let's check ES and NQ. What is it? What we should... I'm going to start trading ES and NQ. Okay, this is distribution clear as day, first of all. Clear as day distribution here. But does it make sense to distribute from here? I mean, I would say so. Dude, I don't like... Man, the way ES looks, I don't like it. But yeah, I would say it makes sense to distribute. Yeah, I would say it makes sense to distribute from here. I would say so. We swept this liquidity here. Man, I'm not doing ES. Fuck that. I'm gonna delete the title. I'm gonna delete the title. I don't like the way any of it looks, man. I would say that man, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. No. Sorry, I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Maybe next time, or maybe next time I won't include it in the title. I don't like the way that it looks, and I'm not great with it, so I'm just gonna not do it. We're gonna pretend that we don't know. No hablas inglés. Okay, what was this one? This one was XRP. How many people do we have in here? We have 216 people. We only have 156 likes. So either 60 of you don't like my face, or don't like my analysis, or don't like the direction that we're trading in, which is very, very offended in either case. So please hit the like button for me. It helps support me. I love you. Okay, let's see if we can get into this, man. I want something good. You lose this low, man, it's not good. You lose this box, I think the daily high is in. Sui is losing the box. Sui is losing the box. So remember when I said, like, guys, you know, this is where you get real, when you get real deep into the box like this is where, like, sometimes I just pull the trigger and I just try it and I attempt it. You know, there's a potential, that's shit. I mean, shit, you know? Okay, this is Sui's last chance, is this box, this hope. If you, yeah, this is this last chance here. Otherwise, the Sui low is in. I don't like how XRP is doing nothing. I don't like it. I want XRP to take the high. I don't like it. I do not like it at all. Not in the slightest, but I don't think that we're going to come back up to here, to be honest with you. Don't think that we will. Link, do we have a link short? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. That's a break. That is a break. So this can stop here. This confirms the SFP, the target, the technical target. Things can change along the way. You're going to take profit, blah, blah, blah. But I think we could come to 1556 pretty easily. And the technical target is 13, whatever, 13 bucks. So with that information, you do as you please. I'm not a financial advisor. USDT dominance is pumping. XRP is, our ADA is continuing to roll over. I'm not still in my ADA short, unfortunately. I should have held that shit to 0, but okay. We'll find something else. We'll find something else. Don't you worry. I'll find something. We always do, baby. All right, Bitcoin is starting to roll over. The 3-hour chart looks more bullish. Yeah, I mean, I would definitely not disagree. But even if you're destined to make another higher high, right? Which we very well may. The question is, how do we get there? Because you don't just go straight up. Like, you don't have to just go straight up. What could happen is you could come down to my next long zone, for example, at 85, and then go up, which is what we're looking at. You know, I'm prepared for this scenario, right? You don't just go up right away. You could, but it doesn't have to. This is the order flow part of it. So if order flow is pointing down for a scalp down to like 85, which is what I said, and then from here we long it up to 95, and then we short it down. You know what I mean? Like, the question is, how do we get there? Right? That's the question. And yeah, I don't know. I just, right now, I don't think that up is the way. I just don't think so. Don't think so. Shout out to Lauren. Hi, Lauren. Yeah, stop yelling, bro. Yeah. What's Link doing? I want to know what Link is doing. Man, if XRP took that high. If only XRP took that high. If only it took the high. Dude, I went full permabull like a week ago. I went full permabull a week ago I'm like, guys, no short, no short, no shorts. Doge, I hope you're having a good day. Please do frequent live. Man, I hope you're having a good day too, bro. Thank you for being here. We'll see, man. We'll see. I'm shooting for like 1 to 2 lives because I live stream every morning in the Nexus. So I'm shooting for 1 to 2 public lives a week. 1 to 2, I think is good. It's a good balance. I'm not going to do every day. No way. No shot. Unless like views and likes really get up there, then I'm not going to do it. Okay, let's see how we're doing. So this is the last zone. I don't care for this box anymore. I know that that's a box. This is the Bitcoin's last hope. Well, no, that's not true. So from here, we can either go down. We can either go down and just fail, and that's the high, and that's it. Or we can... This box can hold temporarily, up SFP, and then down, or up. A lot of stuff going on right now. But if you lose this low again, I'm very confident that the low is in, or the high is in, I mean. But we'll see. Or even, I would even say if you lose this, like, even if you lose that, it's probably, the high is probably in. Okay, Dewey. With my strategy, do I think I can adapt it to scalp? Yeah, I mean, these are all scalp trades. They're starting off scalping. You know, I'm not going in and putting a big stop loss. Like, this is scalping, but I also know where I am. So these scalps might turn into swing trades. Like, this could be, not is. You're gonna monitor it, but this could be a swing short on Link here. We could have a swing short, right? Honestly, just depends. But yeah, absolutely. Yeah, man, you, Alex, Tom, Jay, CryptoFace, you guys are dope AF. We're watching our streams because no bullshit. TA is the same way. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. I see you, man. I see you around, HFG. I wanted you to win that giveaway, bro. I don't have 5 racks to give, but I wanted you to win it. I wanted me to win it, and then if I wasn't gonna win it, I wanted you to win it. PK says, does Geo hold any spot Bitcoin? How come you guys are so interested in my spot portfolio today? Why are you guys so interested in it? Well, I'm in need. Yeah, she's a trifling friend indeed. Let's see the votes. We have 340 votes, and we're 50-50 right now. 51-49. That's interesting. Okay, guys, listen, I gotta go work on some things. I gotta hit the gym. We've been walking for like the whole stream. How long we been live for? 2 hours. We did stream this morning in the Nexus. I've been talking non-stop. I'm tired. This scalping is like, we're not even getting in anything. So, yeah, Jason Stratham. That's a good question, though. What does my spot portfolio look like? I don't know, bro. Isn't the whole point of Bitcoin like what people expect? Like, isn't the whole thing so that people don't know what you own? Here's what I will tell you. Is that I am primarily a trader. I'm not a huge investor. My investment goals reside with real estate. So I am mostly in Tether. I'm a trader, you know. I don't care about crypto. I don't have a boner for crypto like everybody else does. You know? So that I will tell you. Like, that's why I find it odd that I'm being asked about my spot portfolio, because I don't even do, like, I don't talk long-term stuff anyway, you know, for the most part. No, dude, it's all good. It's all good, bro. Like, there's no hate. There's no hate at all. I'm just saying, like, I find it interesting, you know? I find it interesting. That's all. Yeah, dude, I'm all about trading. I don't care about the long-term stuff. I don't care about the analysis. I don't care. Or the spot holding and investing. I'm investing in real estate. That's my portfolio. Yeah, man, come and join the Nexus, bro. We're ready. We're ready to have you, bro. We're ready to have you when you're ready. I will say this, man. I'm losing interest in everything that we're talking about, because, like, I mean, all of these trade ideas, it's taking too long. I got shit to do. I'm losing interest. Volume is apparently very low right now. No way I'm still live. Yeah. I'm about to get off though. Over trading is a problem. Man, just take your profits and run with them, bro. You know, don't be so quick to like give the money back. You know what I'm saying? That's what I would suggest. Yeah, this volume sucks. Volume is so bad. But I don't know. I suspect we'll get something here soon. Honestly, sometimes it's easier to just, like, you know, and go walk away. Like, 2 risk rewards are so easy. Dude, like, my way of trading, like, the ADA short and, like, 8 risk rewards, they're so, like, oh my god, like, just hurry up, you know? It's so much easier to just right now, you know, just do this, do that, and walk away. So much easier to do that. Let's see what the lunar eclipse does to the markets. Yo, I will say this. Here's where I'm gonna leave you. I think I was talking to Nick, aka Flopping Groper. I was talking to him on the phone, and he's like, "Yo," he was telling me that last year. What the fuck? What the fuck, Jabs? You're not playing when you're gig along. Anyway, I was talking to Nick, and he was saying that last year on March, I think it was 15th or something, or March 8th, was the high of Bitcoin. And that maybe like something like that happens again this year. What day was this on? March 14th. Man, I remember this day vividly. He was in Miami. March 14th. And then at the end of March, here is where I was in Miami here. And I was on the phone. That's the first time I FaceTimed him. And I'm like, yo, this shit is so fucking overextended. Anyway, we'll see what happens on March 14th. That's like his, like, we'll see. We'll see. You know, we'll see. I don't really follow the moons and all that stuff, but yeah. You know. All right, guys, listen, if you want to join the Nexus, the link for that is in the description down below. Thank you for hanging out with me. I had a really good time. I will continue to do live streams until they are no longer fun again. So it's been great to be here. It's been great to see you all. Thank you all for spending your morning with me. The Nexus is $99 a month. Here, let me show you real quick, and then we'll let you go. $99 a month. You get access to the Discord. You get access to the Nexus members. You get access to myself. You get access to the trading course. You get live streams every morning, and you get my real-time updates. So I will say this with confidence, okay? The standard across premium Discords is $100, and literally 90% of them, 95% of them have no idea what they're doing. I do not ever leave you guys alone, okay? I don't leave you alone. So I do my analysis. I live stream every morning. I give a stream recap every morning. So the ones that were unable to catch the stream, I recap it in like a few minutes. Let me find one here. Like here, see, stream recap, whatever. Okay. Get access to the course, and then you get access to my real time. So yesterday, for example, when I was entering ADA, I was posting it. You know, I'm giving, here's why I entered, here's why it could go wrong. You know, whatever. And then when things from the course happen in real life, I reference them. Okay, so I have a course example here, for example, 4.10 breaker blocks, and I put the video out. Here we go, flip zones. I put a video out. So there's a lot of content. I'm very, very active, and I'm updating literally 24 hours a day. Like literally, I'm talking. Look at this. Today at 3:40 a.m. I'm sleeping. I'm waking up, and I'm like, yo, listen, here you might want to TP. Blah blah blah. 3:40 a.m. So I'm very involved. I'm very engaging. You know everything that happens. I'm not always right. I'm never always going to be right, but I can make sense of every move. So there's a lot of of value in there, and I can say that with no hiccup at all. I can say that with no hiccup at all. There's a lot of value in here. Okay, a lot. So it's a premium price, but it's a premium product. And what is that bitch that what is that shit that Michelle Obama always says? She's like, what does she say? What is that one like thing she always says? What's that shit? Not Michelle Obama. The other, the fucking camel bitch. What's her name? Come on here. What does she always say? That one word? What does she always say? That one like sentence. That one sentence. What's that one sentence? She's like something something. Unburdened. 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 Listen, the Discord is unburdened by what has been. Oh my god. Anyways, so we're in the Sui short, we're in the XRP short, we're in the Bitcoin short, and I'm fucking closing Solana, bro. I'm closing this shit. Jabs, I'm closing it. I'm closing it, bro. I'm closing it. Unburdened by what has been. Oh my gosh. You're not the only trader in here. Handful of others. Yeah, that's true, man. So look, this is my vision. Let me tell you my vision, and then I'm gonna let you go for real. Here's my vision in the Nexus, okay? I got the course. I'm trying to teach you guys how to do this for real, okay? No Mickey Mouse shit. No, like we're on like, no offense, but we're on an EMA. Like, okay, there's a 15 EMA here, there's a 1 hour EMA here, there's a 4 hour EMA here. Like, which one are you, like, how are you gonna know? You can go in hindsight and say, oh look, we bounced off of the 4 hour EMA. Okay, what about the 1 hour one that it blew through? You know what I mean? Like, so it's no goofy shit. Shit like we just did today, you know? I'm building the story. I'm teaching you guys how to build the narrative. I'm like, oh, this makes sense. This is doing this. Supply is doing this. Demand is failing this. This is why I'm looking for this. It's very informative. This is why it could fail, right? How to do this, how to execute. Everything you need is in there. It's honestly all in there. And I teach you it all. I teach you it all. And I'm in there all, and I'm very active, man. I'm very active. You know, yesterday I posted a video, and I believe somebody asked me like something, and then like 5 minutes later I replied with a video to his question. Anyways, my point is that the Discord is burdened by what has been. Anyway, it's all in there, man. If you want to check it out, the link for that is in the description down below. Nice, Monica. Nice, nice. Thank you for posting. Thank you, you bot, for posting it now so I could hide you from my channel now before I go. Pull your fibs. You trust fibs over anything else? I don't use fibs. I don't use fibs because there's a 0.5 fib, there's a 618, there's a 786, there's an 886. You don't know where it's going to bounce from. And by the way, usually when a fib works, it's because there's an order block there. It's time for us to do what we've been doing, and that time is every day. Yo, Bitcoin weekly candle closes strong. Is that bad for the bears? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Here's what I think, man. Look, I'm gonna be very, like, I've said this already. I think we're gonna form a range here. I think we're gonna be here for the next 2 or 3 months. I don't think we're gonna see all-time high in the next 2 months. Not at all. Like, at all. I don't think that. At all. So... yeah. I don't think... I think saying that this is a strong close... First of all, it's not even closed yet. Second of all, I don't think that there's anything... I'm not going to say it's bearish. It's definitely not bearish. That's not what I'm saying. But I don't think that this means we're going straight up. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. This low was not a great low. This is not a good low. Not a good low. For me, I don't like it. I don't love the low. Not a good low. Yeah, it's not a good low. If I was going to guess, I think that we are going to take the low again. But doesn't mean that we're dumping to zero. You know, this is a very bullish looking candle. This I will say. And so is this one. And that just adds on to my, I think we're going to range narrative, right? Usually when you have a candle that opens and then it's straight down or straight up, they will usually come for that. So they're probably going to come for this. So that just adds to my narrative that we're probably going to range. You know what I mean? Like, I just think we're going to range. So I'm not going to say it's bullish. I'm not going to say it's bearish. Everybody, I made a video about this yesterday. Right now, I think Max Payne is sideways because right now everybody's so emotional. Every time we are up, they're like, oh my God, we're so back. Every time we're down, it's like, oh my God, it's all over. I just think we're going to range here. And I think that if this is destined to be a significant low, then we're going to see a proper accumulation here, which means we are going to touch this low again. It doesn't have to go very far, but I do believe we will see this low again. That doesn't mean that we can't come up to 96 first. I don't think we're going to see 100K in the next... I mean, we could, but I don't think... Like, if we did come back up to here, then this would extend your range like this. And I don't think that that's going to happen. I think that this is the way to approach the ranges. That's going to be one range, and this is going to be another range. Again, I could be wrong. Things can change. But I think that... I think people are aggressively bullish all of the time. People are always aggressively bullish. So I don't think that this is necessarily the most bullish thing yet. It's not bearish. I'm not saying it's bearish. It's definitely not bearish. This shit was bearish as hell. That's why I was swing short from 107K. I'm not saying it's bearish, but I'm not saying we're way back. No way. No shot. No shot. This is not, in my opinion, it's not enough. We need this. This is what I want. We need this. We need, like, you know, a big move down, which we've gotten, arguably, you know, of the first, what appears to be first retracement of this bull run. Okay. And then you need to spend some time here and chop. This is where everyone's like, you need to let the uncertainty grow, right? You need to let the uncertainty grow. It's too quick to just be back already. It hasn't scared enough people. We need to spend some time at the lows, and we need to like, yo, what the hell is going on? We're not bouncing. We need to like really cause doubt. Really, really need to cause some doubt here. That's my opinion in the long run of it. You know? That's my opinion. That's my opinion. All right, what's going on? What have we missed? And I'm just keeping it objective, guys. I'm sorry. Yesterday, like I said, I made a video talking about how I think we're gonna go sideways for the next 2 to 3 months, and I even got hate for that. I didn't even say we were gonna go down. I just said I think we're gonna go sideways, and they hated on me for that. So I don't think it's over. I don't think it's over. I do think we will see the low again. Actually, I'm fairly confident that we will see the low again. Pretty confident in it. Okay, so the shorts are working out well. Sui lost the level. Now, I'll tell you this. If we now the stop, you know, this idea is gone. If you come up to here and you get this, yeah, that's eyes closed. That's eyes closed. Eyes closed. You could also come up and hit this, but I don't like this idea anymore. I don't like coming up to there, but you could. I prefer this. Maybe SFP that. XRP is gone. You lose that low again, you're coming all the way down. In my opinion, nothing's going to save XRP. You lose this low. You close below that low very easily. Don't even touch it. Not even a TP until 2.4. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. The only problem is the highs. I don't like it. We did get the distribution. We did identify it, but I mean, I think it's worth the trade-off. And I'm not in a huge position. I'm only in 3,000 XRP, so I'm up $100. But it's very easy. Very easy. Very, very easy. Doggy coin, I don't care about. ADA's probably eating a dick. Yeah, there you go. Shouldn't have closed my ADA short, but that's okay. Still a win. If we can identify it. And by the way, ADA, just for the record, ADA has a really high time frame SFP. ADA has a really high time frame SFP right here. So your technical target on ADA, your technical target is down to 50 cents. Sorry to tell you. That's the technical target. Do they have to hit the technical targets? No, but that's the technical target. Shouts out to Alex O Crypto. Because God bless, top trade, top human, join the Nexus, make money. Bro, I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you for the 20. I hope you're having a good day, and you had good streams also. Guys, go subscribe to Alex O Crypto. He lives about half an hour away from me. Go check out Alex O Crypto. BTC is kidding today with traders? Not really, man. Not really. I mean, I don't know if you were here earlier, but we've been ready for this the whole time. Yeah, it's done. Bitcoin's cooked. It's done. This is it's done. It's done. So we're short on Bitcoin, we're short on Sui, we're short on XRP, and we closed our Solana long, and we're short on Link. Do I see ADA coming back to touch 58 cents? Way that I identify targets. When you have a high time frame SFP or any time frame SFP, right? When you have something like this, your target becomes the other side that failed to take that high. So that's an SFP. My target now becomes 58 cents or 50 cents. So yeah, absolutely. I do see it coming down. Yeah, it could. It could. Sui target? That's a good question. A good question, man. I would say final TP is 2.44 is the final TP. That's if we're lucky. 2.44. But I mean, you could TP here. It's perfectly, you probably should TP here. Here's what I would do. I'm gonna tell you what I would do. You decide what you want to do. This was drawn out before. This was drawn before the stream began. I drew this out this morning in the Nexus, okay? What I would do is I would hold it. I would try to hit here. Try to hit 2.58. If you flip any structure back along the way, you de-risk it. Try to hit this and try to hit this. But this is what I had drawn out before. I swear to God, I didn't even change it. I didn't change any boxes. I didn't change it at all. I had this drawn out from this morning to exactly do this. So if we get this and we lose this low and we get that, not only will I look to long, but I will close the short. But this is the best play. This drawing, so far, part 1 has happened. Now we need the dump for part 2. This flip is better if the flip happens below this low. If that happens, I'm gigalonging it. It's up to you. This was like a news event. I was ready for this before the news happened. So you do you. Okay, I can't tell you what to do. You do you. This is strictly TA. Things can change because of the news. I did not know there was news about it when I did this. So it might not happen. Just saying. We need Link to lose this low. Link loses this low, it's cooked. Dominance is undeniably bullish, unburdened by what has been bullish. Undeniably bullish. Anybody that tells you that USDT dominance is bearish, I'm sorry, just doesn't know what they're doing. With respect. And the technical target for dominance, I'm sorry to tell you, is 6.76. Doesn't mean we have to get up there, but we'll see. We're gonna play a level for level. All right, guys, that's it for me. I will see you guys in the next one. Which coin is the safest to trade? I mean, the ones that give you the easiest shapes here, I guess. Trade the ones that look easy, you know? Ones that look goofy are not easy. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace out. Have a good day. Be good. Be safe. Be happy. Be healthy. Shouts out to the Nexus. The link for that is in the description down below. Nexus people, I will keep you guys updated in the real-time channel as I do. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for hitting the like button. I will see you guys in the Nexus is my VIP Discord. My VIP Discord, where you get access to the course. You get access to, you know, everything, basically. All right. See you guys later. Bye.
Set my heart on fire.